Today we're going to be challenging Olympian Toby Ing to a game of badminton, but with a twist. We'll be playing 3 sections of 11 points, but at each 11-point interval, one partner will be joining us on court. And if I win, I get your title as Olympian, and if you win, you get my title as YouTuber. But first, let's introduce our partners. These are my partners, Robbie and Gordon. Robbie, how long have you been playing badminton?
After COVID, close to 3 years now.
3 years, okay. What about you, Gordon?
I've been playing for about 3 years as well.
Okay, good. We got 2 3-year partners. Let's check out Toby's partners.
These are my partners, Kieran and Alvin. How long have you been playing?
I've been playing for 3 years.
3 years.
I think 20 years.
20 years.
20
Excellent.
years, okay.
We need that experience.
And with that, let the games begin.
Cho! Cho! No! Yeah. Oh, okay. Ah! Cho! Cho! Cho!
To be honest, I didn't think I'd lose to Toby in singles, but I guess it is what it is. So it's time to catch up in doubles and 3-on-3. But those are his specialties.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, follow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh, good
there,
shot.
there.
You carry.
All right,
Cho!
there. All right.
What? Yeah. All good, all good, all good.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, good shot. Oh.
Come on, follow. Follow. Yeah! Good shot, good shot. Nice.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Yeah! Toe! Control. Control, go. Nice. Ooh, trying to get me. Nice. Come on! Ah! Oh! Good try, good try, good try.
Now that 2v2 is over and we're still a little bit behind, it's only up to the 3v3. And I got a feeling that we're gonna do okay.
Nice. Cho! Okay. Yeah! Two. Nice. Hey. Go, go. Hey. Ready? Good try, guys. Good try, good try.
That's it.
All right. Thank you, thank you. And the winner is Toby's team. Congratulations. You guys are now officially YouTubers.
Is it because I edited this video? Who knows?